Ahora está con nosotros Luis Pratt, él es TMA Collaboration Technology Group, quien nos va a platicar sobre Cisco Spark y, bueno, la colaboración que hace Cisco en la nube. Hi, Luis, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Great. Is this your first Cisco Live?
I've been here last year. This is a great event.
Oh, it's the second one.
Yep.
How's it going so far?
It's going very well. Good communication, good conversations with our customers and partners.
Great. Please tell us, we have heard a lot about cloud collaboration in this Cisco Live. Recently, there's a lot of topics around it. So can you tell us what Cisco is doing with Spark? We have talked a lot about Spark. So what about Spark and the collaboration, Cisco Collaboration Cloud?
So as part of the Cisco Collaboration Group, we took a journey to deliver cloud technology. There's a lot of users that are trying to consume a lot of different collaboration instances, whether that's phones, whether that's email, and trying to simplify that user experience as well as the administration experience. So we took a journey to build a platform that provides those services that can be consumed from the cloud, and we can provide integrations to your existing premises-based infrastructure that you may have already deployed on your company infrastructure.
Why is Cisco investing heavily in cloud collaboration technology when traditionally communications has been around email and cell phones?
Yeah, traditional communication has typically been send an email, then you got to look up a directory, find somebody on a phone number. And what we want to do is simplify that user experience. When you have a meeting, how do you follow up with a meeting? We want to keep that in a persistent chat form. You can share files and content, but you can also join your meetings and simplify your scheduling experience. You can integrate to what you already have in your calendar environment, whether it's Exchange, whether it's Google, whether it's cloud calendaring, and simplify the meeting join experience as well as the follow-up process and how you're using your collaboration technology.
What are the top things that Cisco Spark platform enables to users?
The best thing for the platform is the services are hosted in the cloud, and we can enable internal and external communication. There's no barriers to bringing in a partner, bringing in a vendor. So you're working on a kitchen design, and you want to bring in a vendor that's working on the granite countertops. You're bringing in a third party that's looking at the cabinets. I can bring all those people together in a small team, and we can communicate messaging, we can share files, we can share designs, and we can also create meetings simply all within the same platform without having to use different tools to do that.
This is a question that people ask a lot. Like, as a customer of IT, they have made a large investment into Cisco Unified Communications Manager and IP technology. So, will the deployment work with Cisco Spark?
That's a great question. And one of the biggest things that the platform enables is our integration with existing services. So you may already have Communications Manager infrastructure. We can provide an integration for calling to use that same infrastructure, your premises infrastructure on a calling perspective, but the Collaboration Cloud provides that meeting infrastructure all from the same location, whether that's directory integration for users, whether that's calendar integration for scheduling, whether that's calling integration with Communications Manager. I can integrate that all from the same platform and provide a consistent user experience and admin experience.
At the beginning, you mentioned that Cisco Cloud Collaboration, you mentioned it as a platform. So can you expand on how Cisco Spark enables a much more than a simple application just for consumers and partners?
That's a good question. One of the common questions we get asked is that being a cloud service, the entire platform that we're delivering is based off of APIs. So with those APIs, I can have partners provide a differentiated service, and how do I can integrate with those APIs? I can integrate to, say, a box infrastructure for your file storage. We also provide integrations via those APIs to Salesforce. We just recently announced an integration to Salesforce as part of their Dreamforce conference this week that they're having in the United States. We're showing that integration just based off that API of the platform. So it's a very powerful platform that provides a number of different integration points via those APIs.
How can Cisco Spark and Cisco Cloud Collaboration help in the area of cloud-based video room?
One of the things that we're really starting to see is people have more effective meetings and more effective communication when it's face-to-face. We're having a conversation, but even if you were in the office and I was at a different office, the video communication, it makes you feel like you're in the same room, you're having that face-to-face conversation. So we have delivered a number of video endpoints that have been industry-leading, award-winning endpoints that provide the audio and video integration to see the true collaboration experience of what video can provide with those endpoints.
The partners are starting to look at cloud collaboration. So how can they get started with Cisco Spark?
From our partners, the platform that we're delivering, we host it as Cisco, we're hosting that platform, but our partners are very critical in how we deploy that platform, and we want to make sure that our partners understand that we have a whole certification process, there's training that's available for them, and we want our partners to enable their collaboration services for their customers, as well as provide those differentiated services. They can go to Cisco, www.cisco.com/go/Spark Partner, and that page will get them to a whole Spark Partner community page that allows them to get all their information around our platform.
We're here at Cisco Live, Latinoamérica, we're at Cancun. So what does LATAM represent to you and the area you're working at? And what about Cisco Spark and collaboration? How's it going here?
Yeah, when you come to this event, there's so many things going on, there's so many teams that are working, and the Cisco Spark application allows us from a messaging perspective to stay in touch with different groups. There's different teams, everybody's using the application, easily reachable. But the key thing to understand is in this region, there's a lot of excitement because the Cisco Spark offer is available across the Latin America region. We're adding more countries. Not every country is enabled yet, but we're continuing to add countries in the region. We want to highlight and make sure that everybody knows that they can sell Spark, they can start using Spark as part of their application and bring in all these services and integration points as part of the platform.
Louis, would you like to share something else with us?
Yeah, when you look at this event, it's a great event coming down into this region when you bring in the various customer and partner conversations. We run actual hands-on labs and trainings. We have the World of Solutions been great for our technology showcase, whether that's both from the networking side, the data center integration, our IoT. We basically are bringing industry solutions together across various technologies within Cisco. It's not just collaboration, but the collaboration technology enables other aspects of our portfolio here at Cisco.
Well, thank you very much for your time. It's a pleasure having you here. Y nosotros continuamos aquí transmitiendo desde Cancún.